The John Collins is a classic cocktail that's refreshing, bubbly, and perfect for warm weather. It's a member of the Collins family of drinks and is traditionally made with gin, lemon juice, sugar syrup, soda water, and garnished with a cherry and an orange slice. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces London Dry Gin. Some prefer using Old Tom Gin for a slightly sweeter taste. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce simple syrup. To make simple syrup, dissolve equal parts of sugar and water. Soda water. Top up the drink with chilled soda water. Ice. Use large cubes to avoid quick dilution. 1 maraschino cherry for garnish. 1 orange slice for garnish. For equipment you will need shaker, strainer, highball glass, bar spoon, jigger. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice. In a shaker, combine gin, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup. Shake well until the ingredients are chilled and well mixed. Strain the mixture into the highball glass filled with ice. Top up with chilled soda water. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a maraschino cherry and an orange slice. The John Collins cocktail is believed to be named after a waiter who worked at Limmer's Old House in London during the 19th century. Its creation predates the invention of carbonated water, suggesting it originally might have been made with still water.